Gents, can you tell me about downtown Kingston, why we need to come down here?
Well, we have lots of great stuff downtown. We have the Rock Hotel, ROK. We have the museums, National Heritage Trust. We have the murals on the walls to see the drawings and artworks of our fine artists. Yeah?
Yes.
Good vibes, good people, good energy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you've heard it
Downtown
first.
Kingston is like an entertainment spot.
Yes.
Right around the town, you can find music playing and people enjoying themselves. Even the sellers, you see dancing while selling, having a good time,
Yes.
Blessings.
Thank you. So as I say, you've heard it first, downtown Kingston. So today I'm on the way down. I know.
When rain a fall.
So you get it all down here. Thank you, lads.
Yeah.
Thank you.